So we're here at the Qualcomm, here at Computex. So this is Windows 8 on ARM, right?
Yeah, that's correct. It's called Windows RT.
So is it okay to say Windows 8 or?
Well, Windows 8 is the name for all the releases. Windows RT is the one that specifically runs on the Snapdragon platform. And so what you're seeing is the release preview. So this is what was announced yesterday by Microsoft. This is the release preview running on Snapdragon. You see it looks just like...
Hey, it looks really smooth.
It is. It's incredibly smooth. In fact, if you have multiple applications running, you'll see how quickly those applications move from one thing.
It doesn't look like there's any problem at all.
No, not at all.
Not at all?
No.
Shouldn't there be problems at this point? Or no? It should be like 100% smooth?
Well, I mean, you judge for yourself.
Everything seems smooth.
This is switching between applications.
So can we go in a web browser and scroll up and down and click?
Well, so this is so I'll show you. This is I really program my own news sources here. So here's what's going on with Qualcomm. Here's the latest search results for Windows RT. Will be coming up here. This is all over 3G here in Taiwan. Now,
so this is a web browser or no?
No, this is a new news application that's been written for Windows 8.
Can you go in the options of that app? How do you do that?
Well, you do a swipe down.
Swipe down.
So that's called swipe down, and so that brings up contextual things that you can do in the actual application itself. And then you can always go back to the charm menu and go back to the home menu. This is a new feature, which is the visual tab search of how you switch. So there's the IE10. You know, here's weather, and here's going back. This is the desktop side. The desktop mode is all here in the Windows RT. So there you go.
Nice. Let's do the swiping from the side again.
Well, that's
I want to get to the browser.
Yeah, so the browser's right here. So this is the IE10. So this is the visual. Here's various tabs. So let me go back to the tabs. So like here's CNN. This was CNN.
Can we click around on this one? Zoom in, zoom out, and do this?
Well, you could, so you can, you can pinch and zoom. So there you can see it just works flawlessly. With this, it completely sticks to your fingers. This is all in zoom. And then if you want to do a new site, you just come in from the bottom. You say, like, I don't know, you want to go to like New York Times. And you hit go, and it'll search. I think right now. So this is the Bing search. So let's see.
So is it going to support Chrome and Google as well, or is it just Internet Explorer and Bing?
Well, you can see IE10 is actually performing, is built in here. Other browsers are being worked on.
But it should be other browsers, right?
Well, Microsoft's going to make the final announcements about the browser support. So let's see, search. Here we go, New York Times. So here we'll just load the... Okay.
So 3G, right?
Well, it's here in Taiwan. It's 3G. At CES, we demonstrated LTE connectivity, so 4G LTE. And you can see there, the New York Times is loaded. You can go up and down just like you would. You can pinch and zoom.
This is the S4 development board, right?
This is the S4 Snadragon reference platform, which is was built by Qualcomm.
And this has been out for like 6 months, or?
Well, it's used by developers, it's used by our partners, it's used by OEMs, basically to do development work.
Oops, I shouldn't have touched it.
Yeah.
Sorry. So what do you do with this?
Well, we use this to develop the software. So, Qualcomm, we developed the software, a reference solution that goes to our OEMs for this.
Okay.
And
I wouldn't.
There we go.
Okay. So here we are testing out the HDMI output with Windows 8 on a 16-inch or something, and it looks clear, smooth. Everything's animated. 1080p Windows 8 on ARM. And can you click on something? Click on the camera. Nice. So try click a lot and click on many things. Let's go. Can I do? I shouldn't. Nice. dual multitask.
Yeah, what we're seeing there is the snap. You can see that that's the two active apps at the
Nice.
same time.
Can we launch the camera? Not there. That one. It's going to happen. Try allowing it.
That'll be for setup.
Okay.
No, we didn't set up. We didn't
Okay.
set up. We didn't set up cameras.
So it's just the HDMI, and that's it. Cool. So here's Qualcomm Windows Phone, and this one too. Can you touch? Can you click? It seems fast. So Windows Phone and Windows. I know it's Android. Android. Thank you. So here you're gonna take a picture.
Camera.
You take a picture of me.
Yeah. Go on. I can take a picture of you.
Yeah, so well, so and you'll see this Windows 8 as well.
Okay. What's gonna happen now?
Right. So
We're gonna put on the shell.
swipe left, swipe right, swipe up.
SkyDrive share,
See, so if you're in this, here's the calendar.
and
If you want to
is it gonna beam over?
Yeah, it's gonna be in the SkyDrive,
Yeah.
and then you can see it from this.
There is. I was showing that a little earlier. There is cable in here.
It's still uploading. Okay.
DX.
We'll let you know when it's over.
So there it is. Yeah.
So I took a photo of this.